everyone, I'm Prachi and welcome back to Sublime Life's YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for all the things skin, hair, makeup and more. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can take care of your colored hair. As we all love adorning some great styles from balayage to streaks, it can also get quite challenging sometimes to take care of it. Here are some helpful tips you can keep in mind for the next time when you'll get your hair colored. Also follow these tips to keep your hair color vibrant for the longer period of time and your mane healthy and lustrous. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you won't miss a video from us. So let's dive right into it. The first step is of course use a color protectant shampoo. While washing your color treated hair, be sure to use a color protectant shampoo. Using a good shampoo will help your color last longer and it will help you maintain the health of your color treated hair. It nourishes and transforms its surface, protecting your hair and prolonging the color radiance. We absolutely love the newly launched Maui Moisture Color Protection Shampoo. It is infused with sea minerals, algae, sea kelp, and this blend is sure to help your hair color stay as vibrant as your inner mermaid with a healthy looking glow and moisturized stance. The second one is wait 3 days before you wash your newly colored hair. When you color your hair, wait at least 48 hours or preferably longer to shampoo. Even better if you can last 3 to 4 days without shampooing. It'll give plenty of time for your color to set. Third one is make your wash days less frequent. The more you wash your hair, the quicker the color is going to fade. It is as simple as that. So buy back some time in your everyday routine and skip the frequent washing. The best way to care for your color treated hair is to wash your hair twice or thrice weekly to avoid dull, damaged, lifeless hair strands. Fourth one is avoid high temperatures. While washing your colored hair, stick to lukewarm or cooler water temperatures. Super hot water can leach out dye faster and it strips the color from your hair. It also opens up the surface of your hair, which makes it easier for hair dye molecules to escape from your hair. So always remember to dial down the temperature while washing your hair. Also, this is a very helpful tip which is suitable for all the hair types and it's a real game changer. Use leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners help you form a protective layer on your hair to minimize the sun damage and to calm post-processing frizz. It also helps you protect your hair if you are using a lot of heat styling tools. Look for leave-in conditioner which are particularly formulated for color treated hair. And you should incorporate one in your routine if you are someone who use a lot of heat styling tools, if you blow dry a lot, or if you are someone who goes out in the sun a lot. Deep conditioning treatments, yes please. When you do shampoo your hair, be sure to condition your color treated hair with a color protecting conditioner. A deep conditioning treatment can be really helpful for your hair for that ultimate TLC they need. For this, the Blossom Kinky Berries Moisturizing and Strengthening Hair Mask is our pick. A creamy, indulging hair mask that strengthens and nourishes hair by fighting damage from scalp to tips. It has a blend of super berries like acai, strawberry, mulberry and blueberry that together help fight damage caused by free radicals and environmental stresses. It gets even better with the addition of shea butter and provitamin B5 that seals in the moisture for a smooth, shiny and manageable hair, and it smells amazingly good. The seventh one is my favorite and that is weekly chumpy sessions. Our grandmas loved it, our moms love it, and it's time we love it too. Hot oil treatments are really easy to do at home and it really gives your hair the nourishment and shine it needs. So it's very easy to do. Take your favorite oil and just apply it onto your scalp, massage it really well and soak it right in. Keep it for 45 minutes and then wash it off. It really gives your strands the life it needs. Our pick for this one is Detoxy Anti-Frizz Hair Fall Control Calming and Nourishing Hair Oil. This one is a really calming hair oil which helps you to rebuild and repair your hair, preventing premature graying and to reduce dandruff and hair fall. Air dry is the new blow dry. Your dyed hair is more susceptible to damage, so avoid using curling irons, blow dryers and straightening irons as much as possible. Whenever you can, let your color treated hair dry naturally. If you're going to use heat on your color treated hair after washing it with color protectant shampoo and color protectant conditioner, always apply heat protecting styling product on your hair. Our pick for this one is Detoxy Hair Serum. And if you must use hair dryer on your color treated hair, then use it on the lowest heat settings. Last one is nutrition is the key. As we all know that nutrition is the key to good hair, and ingredients such as amla, coconut oil can do wonders for your hair. If you are unable to get adequate nutrition needed, then opt for gummies. It's an easy way to get vitamins and nutrition that you're lacking. Vitamins are another key to keep the color treated hair shiny and healthy. Vitamin C keeps your scalp healthy by supporting hair follicles, and biotin, which is a vitamin B5, it also helps you strengthen your hair and keeps the hair texture nice. We love the new Me Happy Healthy Gummies, which are infused with biotin, vitamin A and C, zinc, amla and many more ingredients to give your hair that is healthy and full of life. Have 2 a day and watch it transform your tresses. So we hope that you try these tips and let us know about your experience in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until the next time, bye.